Welcome to AIM 9th Standard Facilitator. In this class, we are discussing about polynomials. Before going to know about polynomials, let us know some basic concepts of algebra. A symbol which has a fixed value is called a constant. For example, if you take any numbers, they are all constants. A symbol which does not have any fixed value but may be assigned value according to the requirement is called a variable. For example, x, y, z, p, q, etc. A constant, a variable, or a combination of constants and variables is called a term. For example, if you take 9, x, y, 3x, 4xy, 7x by 15y, we may take any constant or variables or combination of them. They are called as the terms. A single term or a combination of two or more terms connected by additive and multiplicative symbols are called as algebraic expressions. For example, 9x, 3x, 7 minus y, 3x minus 4y, 6xy, 6 plus x square minus 3x, 7x by 9, like this. Now let us know about polynomials. Algebraic expressions having whole number as the exponents of the variable is called a polynomial. It means if you take any algebraic expressions, the powers of the variables must be whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If the powers of the variables are fractions or negatives, then we cannot call them as polynomials. See the examples: 3y power 5, 2x square plus 3x, 5x cube minus 2x, y plus 3y cube minus 5. In all these examples, the powers of the variables are whole numbers. They are not the negatives or fractions. If you take x plus 1 by x square, this can be written as x plus x power minus 2. Here, the power of the variable is negative. Hence, this is not a polynomial. If you take root x plus 5, this can be written as x power 1 by 2 plus 5. Here the power of the variable is fraction. Hence this is not a polynomial. The constants like 2, minus 3, 6, minus 8, these are called as constant polynomials. Here the power of the variable is 0, which is also a whole number. 0 is called as a zero polynomial. If the variable in a polynomial is x, we may denote the polynomial by p of x or g of x or f of x, etc. For example, p of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x, g of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x, like this. If the variable in a polynomial is y, we may denote the polynomial by p of y or g of y or f of y, like this. Polynomial having only one term is called as monomial. See the examples. These are having only one term. Polynomials having only two terms are called as binomials. See the examples. These are having two terms. Polynomials having only three terms are called as trinomials. These are the examples having three terms. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called as degree of the polynomial. Take the polynomial x cube plus 2x minus 5. Here the power of x cube is 3 and the power of x in 2x is 1. Hence the highest power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Take the polynomial 8x power 5 minus 2x cube plus 6. Here the power of x in 8x power 5 is 5 and power of x in minus 2x cube is 3. Hence here the highest is 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Similarly, the degree of 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is 2. The degree of 3x is 1. If you take the constant polynomials like 2, minus 3, 6, like this, the degree of these polynomials is 0 because 2 can be written as 2x to the power of 0, minus 3 can be written as minus 3x to the power of 0, like this. Here the highest power is 0. Hence, degree of these constant polynomials is 0. The degree of 0 is not defined. That is, the degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. A polynomial of degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. For example, x plus 2, 5x minus 3, 6y plus 2. Here, the degree of these polynomials is 1. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are constants and a not equal to 0. Here we have taken the condition a not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then ax plus b becomes only b. Then it is not a linear polynomial. Hence, the condition must be a not equal to 0. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. For example, 3x square, x square plus 2, 5x square minus 3x, 6y square plus 2. Here, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Hence, these are quadratic polynomials. The general form or standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants and a not equal to 0. A polynomial of degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. For example, 5x cube, x cube minus 2x plus 2, 5y cube minus 2y, like this. The degree of these polynomials is 3. The general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are constants and a not equal to 0. A polynomial in one variable x of degree n is of the form an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus and so on plus a1 x plus a naught, where a naught, a1, a2, a3 up to an are the constants and an not equal to 0. It means the coefficient of the variable which is having the highest power must not be equal to 0.